more comfortable than before, right?
Welcome back. When the train comes to a complete stop, hold down, then push up on your restraint and exit out towards your right. Don't forget to pick up items that were left in the station.
That's good. Stand up for free fall.
What happened, Jay?
I said we're free falling.
Oh.
Free fall. Yeah, he's back. After you rough.
Yep. Hey, I said car 5 was the magic.
Yeah, let's go again.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. I mean,